In this video, you'll learn how to troubleshoot and resolve issues when the Moonpay app is not functioning properly. This guide provides a step-by-step process to help you clear your browser's cache and data, which can often resolve app-related problems. Start by opening your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, we will use Google Chrome as an example. Once the browser's open, navigate to the upper right corner of the window. Look for the icon that appears as 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu. Next, click on the 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will see various options including New Tab, New Window, and others. Locate and select the option labeled Settings. This will direct you to the settings page of your browser. After that, scroll down the settings page until you find the section titled Privacy and Security. Click on this section to access more privacy-related options. This area contains settings that control your browsing history, cookies, and site data. Once you are in the Privacy and Security section, look for the option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Click on this to open a new dialog box where you can manage what data you wish to clear from your browser. This action is essential for resolving issues with the Moonpay app. In the dialog box, you will see options to select the types of data you want to remove. Make sure to check the box for cached images and files to clear the cache. Depending on your browsing habits, you may also choose to clear cookies or other site data. After making your selections, click on the Clear Data button. This action will initiate the clearing process, which may take a few moments depending on the amount of data stored. Wait for the confirmation message that indicates the data has been cleared successfully. Now that you have cleared the cache and data, it's time to return to the Moonpay app. Open a new tab and enter the Moonpay website or launch the Moonpay application on your device. This should help in resolving any issues you previously experienced with the app. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.